Good evening everyone. Myself Vanshika Gupta and he is Gagan Tripathi. We are from the team Plant Orbit and representing our project that is Biotech Enable Mass Propagation and Supply Chain Innovation for integrating farmers into indoor plants. So as we have seen that due to urbanization and industrialization, the land area has been decreasing from time to time. At the same time, we are seeing high AQI levels in various cities like Delhi, Mumbai, etc. Due to which we want more greens around. But the problem is, the input supply is very less as compared to the demand. So this gap is filled by our project, our idea of mass propagating indoor plants. You Gagan.
Plant Orbit is a modern tech brand focused on high quality succulent tissue culture plants and also climate smart sustainable solutions. We specialize in combining science and technology with disease-free plant generation and over-consistent quality. Our mission is to make premium globally competitive plant varieties accessible to growers, retailers and plant lovers. We have a strong foundations in R&D and our problem statement is demand supply mismatch. Global indoor plant market is more than $23 billion and India is growing at a rate 12% of compound annual growth rate. With a rising demand of rare succulents and premium foliage, but there is a limited supply. And our second problem statement is production and supply chain inefficiency. Around 20 to 35% of the plants get damaged in the transit and farmers are excluded with the no access to biotech propagation. And there is uncertain buyer with the low price realizations. Solution is biotech innovation. We are doing fast and large scale plant production using tissue culture, premium indoor plants and also like Agronema, philodendron and etc. We are also monitoring the plants from time to time. Supply chain innovation is smart routing units and smart village level growing units and direct supply network. Next slide please. Scientific and technical approaches, establishment of mother blocks, and we are also doing the tissue culture protocol development, hardening and acclimatization innovation, and with that we are also doing supply chain labeling and tracking of the life plants. Next slide. Farmer establishment model. We establish a small level farmer units in which the plant get ready in 45 to 60 days growth cycle and assured buyback price we are taking from the farmer. We are supplying the plants to the farmers and also collecting them back. Next slide please. Business model will be B2B and B2C. There are two business models with us. Next slide please. Market potential is it is one of the fastest growing segments. Succulent market is growing around 40 to 20% of CAGR, and there is a huge market potential and 7x higher export value. Tissue culture plants have. This is technologically differentiation. However, plants are different from the conventional nurseries in propagation speed, plant uniformity, survival, farmer revenue, and traceability. Next slide, please. This is the implementation roadmap in 12 to 8 months. Phase 1, we will be setting up the lab. Phase 2, tissue culture production, farmer pods, and phase 3, we will be doing nationalized B2B onboarding. Next slide, please. These are some of the awards and recognition which we have been recognized by United Nations SDG Achievers Award 2025 by Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand in climate change SDG Goal 13. And we also were the winners of Global Student Entrepreneurs Award JSA Uttarakhand chapter, and now we are proceeding for nationals. And Leadership Excellence Award 2025 by Agriculture Minister Shri Ganesh Joshi for implementing the climate change activities across the hilly regions of Uttarakhand. Next slide, please. These are some of the government recognition which we have got. These are some of the government institute: Uttarakhand University of Horticulture and Forestry, Jeevansh University of Agriculture and Technology, Government of Uttarakhand, Managed Hyderabad, and United Nations, and also with UC Uttarakhand Council of Biotechnology for the growth and development of indoor plants. Next slide, please. These are expected outcomes, scientific outcomes, which what we will be doing. Optimized tissue culture protocols for 10 plus high value indoor plants, which just we have done, and digital plant and traceability we will be doing with the socio-economic benefits of farmers will be gaining the extra income, and India becomes an indoor biotech hub. Next slide, please. And thank you. This is one of the best-seller book in succulent written by me. A roadmap to a healthy succulent, bestseller in the succulent domain, and from my colleague Vanshika. Thank you.